Smarter security starts with Elk's E27 Alarm Engine. E27 offers smart security, automation, and control with powerful integration capabilities. This hybrid system supports hardwired and wireless sensors for security, safety, and environmental conditions. Easily control and automate Z-Wave locks, lights, thermostats, garage doors, and more. A built-in rules engine automates actions based on system states, user actions, and time conditions. Connect with a growing network of integration partners to take your E27 installations to the next level. Programming is easy with the Elk Connect app and portal. Are you ready to try the E27 Alarm Engine? Call Elk Sales today at 800-797-9355 or email sales@elkproducts.com.